Amelia, are you hugging Tucker? Oh, that's sweet.
That's Tucker.
Hi, Tucker.
Are you videoing this?
Yes.
Oh my
well,
god.
there she goes.
Hi.
Hi, Lucy.
This is just a crazy house.
This is my girlfriend. Oh, hi, Lucy. Okay.
Did you too?
Do you have to go potty?
Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Oh, this is just
Oh my god.
one more dog over here.
Oh my gosh.
Look at how it's done.
Oh, there's the puppy.
Oh, spitting up.
I'm losing Ryan.
Spitting up.
I'm losing Ryan here.
You mean?
No, I mean Ryan. And he's just somebody help me with Ryan.
Oh!
I don't have two free hands.
Uh-oh, we lost them all.
You're not putting this on YouTube.
Maybe.
That hug, when she hugged Tucker, that was so cute. Tucker, you're being a
Did you get, he got on his bib too, so make
Yeah, I
sure it's
wiped it.
okay.
I wiped it.
Hi, Owen. Just you and me now. Hi,
Hi,
Owen.
Lucy.
You realize if you had dogs, you would never have to wipe their mouths from spitting. Oh, is Tucker your buddy?
Can I see that movie, Amelia? Can you
Show
that to
Daddy.
Daddy? I want to see what it is. Can I see?